Hi everyone, this is Manoj from Tenet Technetronics. In this video, I am going to explain about the current driver, that is ULN2803 and its inside. This ULN2803 is well suited for interfacing between low-level logic circuits to high-level logic circuits. These low-level logic circuits may be some TTL or CMOS, and the high-level logic circuits may be some relays, printers, or stepper motors, etc. This ULN2803 outputs and 50 volts and 500 milliamps of current. And let's look at its pin configurations.
This is a rough sketch which explains some pin configurations of the ULN2803. Usually these ICs are made up of Darlington connected transistors with some snubbing or protection diodes. This is normally comes in 18 pin DIP packages and also it's available in the SMT packages. Here this is a normal DIP package. This is 18 pin package. Coming to the pin connections, the pin 9, the ground pin needs to be connected to the same ground reference that the TTL input is using, and the 10th pin is the common bus for the flyback protection diodes. This connects to the plus V supply of the output, and the 1 to 8 is the data input pins, and coming to the output, the 11 to 18s are the output pins. And there is an important note that if you give the supply to the D1 input, you should take the output from the D1 output. That is, if you are supplying the input at the pin number 1, you should take the output at exactly the opposite side, that is the pin number 18. If you are making use of the pin number 4 as an input, then you need to take exactly the opposite, that is pin number 15 as an output for the input at the pin number 4.
These Darlington drivers are open collector. They can sink current, they cannot use to source the current. Hence, these drivers acts as a ground switch for all kind of things. Let's have a small demo by making use of the same IC, that is ULN2803, to drive this stepper.
This is my ULN2803. Here I have connected to drive the stepper motor. As I told, the pin number 1 to 8 is the input pins, and exactly output of that is taken as an output pins. Here I am providing the input from the Arduino Uno, and I have programmed it in such a way that to run the stepper motor in anti-clockwise direction. This is a unipolar stepper motor. Since this ULN2803 is an open collector type, we cannot use it to drive the bipolar stepper motor. Here I am making use of a unipolar stepper motor. It has a normally 4 output pins and 1 supply pin which has to be given 12 volts. These stepper motor data pins have connected to the ULN2803 output pins, and I am providing input from the Arduino. As I told, the pin number 8, here is the notch, and here are the input pins. The pin number 8 is grounded, and the pin number 9 is connected to the supply. And this is my small PCB power supply breakout, which is available in our Tenet house, which gives normal 12 volts and 5 volts output. If you input the supply, 12 volts adapter to it. This is how it works. Its motor is just rotating in the anti-clockwise direction.
If you have any related queries or any suggestions to be given, please comment below blogs of the videos or mail us at info@tenetech.com. Thank you.